Kasama, mawalang galang sa ginong senador ng Cavite. Ginong prosecutor, hindi ba ang fair market value ng maski anong pag-aari ng tao ay subjective? Depende doon sa tao na may-ari at yung bumibili.
Totoo po yun.
Okay. Nasa utak lang yun, di ba?
Opo.
Hindi mathematically exact yun.
Yes. It is relative, Your Honor.
Okay. Oh, yun.
But in the schedule of market values, there's a list of fair market values of properties in a certain locality, hindi po ba?
Totoo po yun.
And it is the city assessor who prepares the fair market value of properties in a certain locality.
Totoo po yun.
So, hindi po ba nararapat na tawagin natin yung city assessor para siya ay mag-testify kung tama nga ba ang nilagay ni CJ Corona, Chief Justice Corona, sa kanyang SALN doon sa figure under the column fair market value?
Well, pwede po.
Dahil wala nga po kayong competence para sabihin na tama o hindi ang fair market value.
Totoo po yun.
Salamat po. Dadako na po ako doon sa testigo, sa witness. In the subpoena issued to you, good afternoon, Mr. Witness.
Good afternoon, sir.
In the subpoena issued to you this morning, were you ordered to bring copies of Supreme Court decisions involving cases of Mega World with the Supreme Court?
No, sir, I wasn't.
Why did you bring them?
I know what is at stake here, sir. I know where this is leading to, and I think this is. I'm speaking in behalf of the company, sir. So I know.
So you came
where I'm
prepared?
Yes, sir. As far as I can come prepared.
Did you talk to the members of any member of the prosecution team before you came here?
Well, at the holding area, sir, they came in and they were asking me some questions, but I was immediately summoned here.
So you were not able to
I
compare
was
with
not
them?
able to talk to them at length.
Did you talk to any member of the defense panel before you came here?
No, sir. No, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. Since you're under oath, I'll take your word for it.
Yeah, I'm just trying to recognize each of them. I might have
baka may
bumped into
baka may lumapit
one of
sa'yo.
them outside. But
Now,
I don't. I haven't.
Pakiulit nga po ninyo yung GR number na kung saan, diyan sa dalan yung dokumento, na kung saan sabi nyo parehong talo ang Mega World.
Opo. GR number 175391 in 2007, Mega World Globus Asia Inc. versus Celerica Holdings Inc. And Mega World Globus Asia Inc. versus Tanseco, GR number 181206 in 2009.
Wala na po?
Meron pa pong isa na GR Mega World Properties and Holdings Inc. versus Honorable Judge Benedictos G. Cobarde, GR number 156200 in 2004.
2004. Panalo po ba o talo ang Mega World dyan?
Natalo po kami dito sa kaso pong ito in the amount of 47 million in total.
Sa record po namin dito, panalo kayo rito.
Nanalo ho kami nung una before, if I may read this. The first Mega World case decided by the Supreme Court, penned by Justice Corona, was in 2004. 2 years before the purchase of the McKinley lot and 4 years before the purchase of the Bellagio unit. Number 1, Mega World Properties and Holdings Inc. versus Honorable Judge Benedicto G. Cobarde, GR number 156200 in 2004. The third division rendered the decision dated 31 March 2004 in favor of Mega World Properties and Holdings Inc. All the members of the division concurred. The dispositive portion reads, wherefore, premises considered, the instant petition is hereby granted. The decision of the Court of Appeals dated August 28, 2002 and its resolution of November 20, 2002 are hereby set aside. The order of public respondent judge dated June 29, 2001 executing the compromise agreement as well as the writ of execution and notices of garnishment are hereby declared null and void. Pursuant to said decision, Mega World filed a motion for restitution with the trial court seeking to recover from respondents the principal amount of 5,853,793.01 plus interest, which was the amount illegally garnished and obtained by the respondents. In 2007, or less than a year after the purchase of the McKinley lot and a year before the purchase of the Bellagio unit, the division in which Justice Corona was a part of issued an adverse decision, dismissing the petition filed by MegaWorld Globus Asia Inc. Number 2, MegaWorld Globus Asia Inc. versus Celerica Holdings Inc. GR number 175391 in 2007. The first division, of which Justice Corona was part, rendered its minute resolution dated 17 January 2007 against MegaWorld Globus, dismissing its petition for review under Rule 45. In effect, the Supreme Court affirmed the adverse decision against MegaWorld Globus. The judgment award by the HLURB against MegaWorld Globus is as follows. Wherefore, premises considered, judgment is hereby rendered as follows. Number 1, declaring as cancelled and rescinded the contract to buy and sell entered into by and between the complainant and respondent. And number 2, ordering respondent to pay the complainant the following sums. A, the amount of 14,522,955.68 with interest thereon at 12% per annum to be computed from the time of complainant's demand for refund on December 12, 2000 until fully paid. The amount of 50,000 pesos as exemplary damages, the amount of 50,000 pesos as attorney's fees, and the cost of suit. MegaWorld Globus paid the above amount to respondent, in addition to a 3-bedroom condominium unit at the Salcedo Park as payment for the interest. The total amount paid to respondent, including the amount of the condominium unit, is about 26 million. About a year after the purchase of the Bellagio unit, the Supreme Court again issued an adverse decision against MegaWorld Globus Asia Inc. It is significant to note that even before spouses Corona finished their amortization of the Bellagio unit, Justice Corona voted against MegaWorld Globus. In number 3, MegaWorld Globus Asia Inc. versus Tanseco GR number 181206 in 2009. The second division rendered the decision dated 9 October 2009, penned by Justice Carpio Morales against MegaWorld Globus Asia Inc. Justice Corona concurred in the decision. The dispositive portion of the decision reads, wherefore, the challenged decision of the Court of Appeals is, in light of the foregoing, affirmed with modification. As modified, the dispositive portion of the decision reads, the July 7, 1995 contract to buy and sell between the parties is cancelled. Petitioner, MegaWorld Globus Asia Inc. is directed to pay respondent Mila S. Tanseco the amount of 14,281,731.70 to bear 6% interest per annum starting May 6, 2002, and 12% interest per annum from the time the judgment becomes final and executory, and to pay 200,000 pesos attorney's fees, 100,000 exemplary damages, and costs of suit. In satisfaction of the judgment, MegaWorld Globus paid the total amount of 21,725,438.02 pesos to respondent, broken down as follows. Principal is 14,281,731.70. Interest is 7,064,175.30. Attorney's fees 200,000. Exemplary damages 100,000. Costs of suit 79,531. The total amount paid by MegaWorld Globus is 21,725,438.02. If we add this,
mawalang galang po. Yung
Apo.
anong GR number niyang binabasa niyong kaso?
yung last po is GR number 181206.
Hindi po. Ang sinasabi ko, yung ponente o ponensya ni Chief Justice Corona, yung GR number 156200. Doon po ba talo kayo?
Nanalo po kami dito ng 5,853,000.
Panalo kayo ng 25 million. Naghabol pa kayo ng another 5 million dahil 29 million ang hinahabol ninyo. Doon kayo natalo sa additional na 5 million pesos na hinahabol pa ninyo. Pero hindi na si Justice Corona ang ponente nun. Hindi po ba?
Hindi na ho siya, pero
doon sa ponensya niya, panalo kayo, yung 25 million.
This was in 2004.
2004,
Your Honor. Yes,
yes.
Before he bought from us.
Yes, that is
Opo.
correct. Wala tayong disagreement doon.
Opo.
So, in other words, para ma-simplify lang natin, para sa kaalaman ng korte, ng impeachment court, doon sa usaping 25 million, 25.1 million, sa ponensya ni Justice Corona, ni-reverse nila yung compromise agreement ng mga partido, hindi po ba? Kaya nanalo kayo doon. Pero gusto nyo pang habulin yung additional na 5 million, natalo naman kayo doon. Hindi na si Justice Corona ang ponente doon.
Hindi na po siya.
Maraming salamat po.
Opo.
Ayun lang po, Mr. President.
Thank you. Majority Floor Leader.
Mr. President, Senator Estrada asked for the floor before Senator Pimentel, Mr. President.
Senator Estrada.
Thank you, Mr. President. Only one question addressed to the witness. Mr. Witness, you mentioned earlier that you lost in 2 cases. That
Yes,
was
sir.
after the purchase of the 2 units developed by MegaWorld, am I correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
How many cases did you win? Only
We won one, but that was before he purchased from us.
Before he purchased.
And that was only 5 million pesos, 5
Okay,
point
are there
something.
any other pending cases of MegaWorld before the Supreme Court?
I am not aware of that, Your Honor. All I know is that after he purchased from us in 2006, we lost a case right after in 2007. And then he bought again from us in 2008, and then we lost again a case in the Supreme Court in 2009. This is a triple whammy for us, Your Honor, if you look at it.
That's already recorded.
Yes.
What I'm asking of you, do you have any pending cases before the Supreme Court?
I am not aware of that.
No, I mean pending
No.
now. You don't have any idea?
I'm not aware of that, sir.
Okay, just in case you can gather some information, can you submit in writing tomorrow if you still have pending cases?
I will do that, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Senator
Finally, Senator
Pimentel.
Pimentel, Mr. President.
Senator Pimentel has the floor.
Thank you, Mr. President. Payong kapatid lang po sa prosecution as your fellow lawyer, no? Kasi kahapon tinanong ko yung si Attorney Perez ano yung theory of the case. Sabi niya sa discount. Bakit kasi pinaka-focus kayo sa discount? Sabi niya sa 2, Article 2 at saka Article 3. So nakita na natin ang nangyari ngayon. Hindi po kami nakumbinsi sa relevance nung discount sa Article 2. Kaya ang payong kapatid na lang, huwag nyo na pong pilitin ang discount sa Article 3. Kasi kung babasahin mo yung Article 3, talaga hindi po talaga mapapasok doon. Kasi ang pinag-usapan sa Article 3, flip-flopping sa letter, excessive entanglement ni Mrs. at saka yung talking to litigants. So, payong kapatid lang para hindi na tayo magkagulo ng katulad na nangyari ngayong araw. So let go of the discount. Kasi wala po siya talaga sa articles of impeachment. Attorney Perez?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you for the suggestion. We were just referring to the provision in the article referring to the moral qualifications of a justice of the Supreme Court.
I know, that's Article 3. But
Yes, sir.
basahin niyo ulit kasi ginamit lang ninyo yung canons tapos binigyan niyo ng example or specific instances, 3 kung paano na-violate yung canon. And ang acceptance of a discount, wala doon. Kaya nga, please, wag nyo na pong pilitin, gamitin yung discount sa Article 3. Payong kapatid lang.
Thank
Okay,
you, Your Honor.
thank you po.
Thank you.
By the way,
Mr. President,
the gentleman
Senator
for
Emiliano
Cavite.
Yes. Just a few